This one is the largest to walk the earth, and one of the very few animals known to actively hunt humans. But a polar bear's preferred prey is seal. To survive a life below zero, she must eat more than 50 a year. Orienting tail to the wind, a seal uses its sense of smell to detect predators approaching from behind, while keeping a lookout for any attack from the front. With fewer than 2 seals every square mile, tracking them down is a challenge. Thankfully, she has an extraordinary super sense on her side. She can even sniff out a seal under the ice. From over a mile away, she picks up a scent carried on the wind. Locked onto her target, she closes in. Securing enough food just to stay alive is hard enough. Raising the next generation of hunters can be a relentless pursuit.